Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. So you see how well this support area so far has worked out. The price found support within our blue support zone, which is between $150 and $160. So this was after breaking down last week, the first zone to watch. So far it's holding, but it's too early to celebrate because we haven't broken above any of the previous swing highs. But I will tell you what I will watch out for this week. And I will also tell you where the price could find support if we get another low. And so what the warning signs are that we might get another low. At the moment here, this is the daily time frame. You can clearly see that the market could easily form another low. There is, in the white scenario, definitely that potential. If we track this as a WXY structure and the Y wave is an ABC structure. However, this scenario will be invalidated if the price can break above the dashed green line, which is the swing high, from last week there, around $189. If we can break above the Monday, 3rd of November high, in 5 waves especially, then I think we are following the pathway to $300 plus. As I said many times before, I am not yet overall bearish. I know a lot of people still are, but I am not yet overall bearish. Elliott Wave, the root of market structure, just simply doesn't give me enough confirmation. It just doesn't give me enough confirmation that a major top has formed. Yeah. But obviously there are a couple of areas that we are observing here that we're watching closely. And if they break to the downside and if the price breaks below one particular level, then I will have to say that yeah, I have to align with the idea that we are in a much larger correction. For now, I'm cautious, yeah, because we are in a pullback. We haven't got any confirmed reversal. Okay, there's a small attempt. I mean, that's why we define these zones on the chart, right? This one even aligned with the August low. But we don't have a confirmed trend reversal, which would only come with a 5-wave move up and a break above resistance. We don't have a break above resistance at this point, yeah? One more low is possible. We get another low. $117.41 to $138.26 is going to be the next support area. So if we break below $117.41, then the door opens for a much larger correction, which would not be within the scope of a reversal to all-time highs from the April lows, okay? That would be too deep for that. It can still happen, but probabilities will drastically reduce. So I would, let's say, from a structural point of view, allow it to make another low. Stupid wording actually, because the market does what it wants, right? It's like I have to allow it. But from a structural point of view, basically the white count allows for one more low. If we can't find support and a reversal in the lower support region, then I think the bears are going to take the lead. In the short term, the bears already seem to be leading here in the short term, but the bulls can make a comeback either where we are now, yeah, from this blue zone or the lower zone at $117.41. Now let's take a look at the shorter time frame. Let's see how that all comes together. And on the shorter time frame, you see the microstructure. You see the potential for one more low in the white scenario. You see even the potential that in the yellow count we could even grind lower. Yeah. I'm not ruling out a lowest in place, okay? But that takes a break above resistance. So as I said before, I'm gonna show the local trend could continue to make you aware from a risk management point of view where things could go wrong. And the first resistance area is between $172 and $179.75. This is going to be the resistance I'm going to watch over the next coming sessions. If we can break above it, that's a first step and could be a first indication we're also going to break above 189. Any break above 189 would be good confirmation we've bottomed overall. If we get a pullback, we need to hold $150 to keep the idea alive that we might still recover. Below 150, I think another low is coming. In that larger support area that I showed you on the larger time frame, between $117.41 and $138.26. In other words, the move to the upside isn't mind-blowing yet. Yeah, it's not blowing me away yet. I'm not impressed. It is so far a 3-wave move up. It could still grind a bit higher, but we haven't even overcome this important resistance area. So this is going to be the objective for the bulls this week. Break above $180 basically, and then $189. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. You can find a link in the comment section. Sometimes videos over there are published a little sooner. Sometimes you get additional updates that are not even covered on YouTube. So check it out. Definitely worth following here as well. Hope you have a great week. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.